Welcome back to Design Time. If you're like me, once summer rolls around, your home gets just a little busier, more time outside, more to bring in and out, and somehow, a little more clutter sneaks in too. Today I'm sharing smart, stylish summer storage ideas that help you keep things feeling light, calm, and easy to manage, without compromising the look and feel you love. These ideas are simple and can work in any style of home. I'll also share a few tips along the way for making sure everything stays accessible and keeping aging in place in mind. So, let's take a walk through the house together and talk about storage that works and looks beautiful too. Let's start with a quick seasonal declutter. It doesn't have to be overwhelming. I like to think of it as just giving your space a little more breathing room. Start by packing away anything from spring you won't need, like heavy blankets, decorative layers, or off-season clothes. Clear storage bins with labels make this really easy. Choose labels with large, readable fonts so you're not straining to find things later. A few soft storage bins under the bed or on a top shelf can hold spring accessories or even pet gear you're not using right now. And speaking of pets, this is a great time to create a small basket or bin just for summer essentials, maybe a travel water bowl, sunscreen wipes, or a cooling mat. It keeps things tidy and ready to grab when you're heading out. An organized bedroom can make both your mornings and evenings feel calmer and less rushed. It's one of those simple changes that brings a sense of ease to your everyday routine, especially in the summer when you want your home to feel lighter and more relaxed. After decluttering, bring your summer wardrobe front and center in the closet. Light fabrics, soft colors, and easy access pieces should be the first things you see. Use breathable garment bags to store away bulkier items you won't need until fall. For smaller accessories like scarves, sandals, and wallets, soft bins or baskets on your closet shelves can keep everything organized and easy to grab. To save even more room, try tiered hangers. These clever hangers allow multiple garments to hang vertically. Underbed storage is another smart option for items you don't use every day. Look for low-profile containers that slide easily and don't interfere with the calm feel of your room. And here's a final touch that makes a big difference: a motion sensor light inside your closet. It helps reduce eye strain and makes it easier to see what you need without fumbling for switches. It's one of those tiny upgrades that supports aging in place beautifully. Now let's talk about storage pieces that don't just hide things, but do it beautifully. One of my go-tos is an ottoman with hidden storage. Whether it's in the living room or at the foot of your bed, it's a great spot to tuck away extra pillows, throws, or even board games for summer entertaining. Entryway benches with drawers or woven baskets underneath can catch sandals, dog leashes, or sunglasses without making your space feel cluttered. I also love using sideboards or consoles in unexpected places, like a hallway or behind the sofa. These can hold everything from summer linens to outdoor dining supplies. And if you're thinking about long-term accessibility, look for soft-close drawers and easy grip handles. It's those small touches that make everyday living more comfortable. Since we're spending more time outdoors during the summer, it makes sense to think about how we're storing things outside too. A few creative storage solutions can keep everything neat, easy to find, and ready to enjoy, so your outdoor spaces feel just as thoughtful and pulled together as the rest of your home. Look for weatherproof storage benches that can hold your cushions or outdoor games. A simple deck box in a neutral color blends in beautifully, and it keeps your space feeling tidy. For smaller items like dog toys or towels, I like using large, lidded baskets. You can carry them in and out easily, and they look lovely on a porch or tucked by the door. If gardening is part of your summer routine, wall hooks or a vertical rack can keep tools off the ground and reduce tripping hazards. It's safer and it helps keep everything in its place. The entryway is one of the hardest working spaces in summer, especially if you're coming and going often or have pets. Add a few open baskets or bins for flip-flops, sunscreen, or outdoor toys. Hooks at an easy-to-reach height are great for lightweight jackets, bags, or even beach towels. If your entryway feels like a bit of a catch-all, try adding labeled drawers or shelf dividers. It gives everything a home. And don't forget a place to sit. A small bench makes it easier to slip on shoes, and if it has hidden storage, even better. Here's a few more pictures to get us in the summer spirit. And that's it, just a few simple ways to create a more organized home, so you can spend less time managing things, and more time enjoying the season. Summer should feel easy and open. When your home is working well for you, when everything has a place and your spaces feel calm, you're free to focus on the moments that matter. Whether that's a relaxed morning coffee on the patio, hosting friends, or just enjoying a quiet evening breeze, thoughtful storage helps make room for it all. You don't have to tackle the whole house. Just start with one space that tends to slow you down, your entryway, your closet, or your outdoor space. A small change can make your whole day feel easier. If these ideas were helpful, I'd love it if you'd like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments which space you're refreshing this summer. I always love hearing how you're making your forever home feel even more like your own. Let's end with this quote from Henry James. Summer afternoon, to me those have always been the two most beautiful words in the English language. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.